Hello, my name is Uli. I'm the owner and operator of Lightning Clean Carpet in Durham, North Carolina. We use the encapsulation method for carpet cleaning. Here's how it works. I'll vacuum, then spray my solution and agitate the carpet with my machine. What happens here is the dirt gets encapsulated through the solution and then through agitation broken down in polymers, and when dry, which is usually less than an hour, vacuumed out. This is a fast and effective way to clean your carpet with no residue left behind. Watch my machine in action. Okay, let's say it's pre-sprayed until here. Now I charge low rates and provide excellent service for residential and commercial carpets and upholstery. I work the Greater Triangle area. Please call me or email me for a free estimate. Thank you and have a great day.